Hello everyone, I am Sachin Karatmal and welcome to today's video. In this session, I will be giving you a detailed explanation on shipping container fumigation, what it is, why it is important, when it requires and how entire process work in international shipping. If you are involved in export import, freight forwarding or logistics, this is essential knowledge. So stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, we need to understand what is container fumigation. Container fumigation is a process used to control pests such as insect, rodents and microorganisms which can infest shipping containers and their contents. Fumigation involves the use of gases or vapors to kill or repel pests, ensuring the safe transportation of goods. Now we can check what are the reasons for container fumigation. First is prevent pest infections. Fumigation prevents pests from infecting containers and their contents, reducing the risk of damages or contamination. Second is compliance with regulations. Fumigations is often required regulatory authorities such as customs agencies to ensure compliance with phytosanitary and quarantine regulations. Third point is protection of goods. Fumigation protects goods from pest damages, reducing the risk of losses or claims. Fourth point is prevention of pest spread. Fumigation prevents the spread of pest from one region to another, reducing the risk of pest outbreaks. Now we will understand how it works. First is a gas released into sealed container. Second is the gas circulates and penetrates the cargo. The third is the gas exterminates pests like insects, rodents and microorganisms. Now we will understand how it's done. First is trained operator are required. Second is the enclosure must be sealed. The third is the fumigant is applied as a gas. Fourth point is the gas concentrate it measures after a period of time. Now we can check why it's important. First is it helps preserve the quality of commodities. Second is it prevents the spread of exotic pests to other countries. Third, and the most important, it's required by many national and international laws. What is container fumigation method? First is in transit fumigation. Fumigation is performed while the container is in transit, typically during a sea voyage. Second is pre-shipment fumigation. Fumigation is performed before the container is shipped, typically at the port of origin. Third is on-site fumigation. Fumigation is performed at designed sites such as warehouse or storage facilities. What are the process for container fumigation? First is pre-fumigation inspection. The container and its contents are inspected for sign of pest infections. Second is sealing the container. The container is sealed to prevent the escape of fumigants. The third is fumigant applications. The fumigant is applied to container typically through a specialized system. Fourth is aerations. After fumigation, the container is aerated to remove for residual fumigants. Fifth is post-fumigation inspection. The container and its contents are inspected for sign of pest infections. Why are these safety precautions in container fumigation process? First is personal protection equipment. Fumigation personnel must wear personal protective equipment including ventilators and gloves. Second is ventilations. Adequate ventilation is essential to prevent accumulation of fumigants. Third is warning signs. Warning signs must be posted to alert others to fumigation process. And the last fourth point is emergency procedure. Emergency procedure must be placed in case of accidental exposure or other incidents. So finally, container fumigation is a critical process in ensuring the safe transportation of goods. By understanding the reason for fumigations, types of fumigations and procedure involved, individual can appreciate the importance of this process in maintaining the integrity of international trade. Hope you have understand the importance of container fumigation in international trade. If yes, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues. And the most important, don't forget to leave your comment and share your thoughts, because your feedback truly matters. So please share your thoughts in the comment box. Stay tuned and keep watching.